the actual power line?
It's not a power line, it's a steel line.
Oh, so.
It's a steel braided wire, a rope.
If it was a power line, it would break.
Yep. You ready?
All the way up to the top.
You ready, Hayden?
What happens if you fall?
You don't.
No, I don't if you fall.
You don't fall.
Yeah, exactly. You don't fall.
Really bad if you fall though? Or they get really hot? Doesn't matter if you don't fall.
Zipline blue. Go ahead and get your hands up on those handlebars for me. Take a step on off.
Have fun.
You're all good to go.
Where's the scream?
Alright, you're going to take a step all the way up to the top.
You ready, Jason? He's gonna hook you all up.
Not good to go yet.
Wait for him to tell you. Remember, the only thing you touch is those orange handles.
Yep, so you're just going to hold these. Both hands. You ready? You don't have to death row. Rest your hands. Step off the platform.
Hold those and don't touch anything else.
Hold these. Both hands.
And you're ready.
You don't have to death row. Rest your hands.
And then just step off the platform, you'll start sliding. You can sit down a little bit if you want to rest first.
Just gonna take a seat.
Scream!
Stand on up with that top step for me on the right side. Top step. Perfect. There we go. How was that?
Good.
Good. Hey, bud, you can step on down to the right side. Awesome.
That wasn't that scary. That wasn't that scary.
It was fun though, right?
Yeah, it was fun.
Jason, how was it?
Good.
Yeah? High five. Boom. Hayden. Hayden.
Hayden.
How was it?
Fun.
What about you guys?
Fun.
Was it scary?
No.
No? Alright, high five.
You scream the louder.